When you take a mixed number and you convert it back to a fraction, can anybody tell me what type of fraction that's going to be? Starts with the letter I. Improper. That means, perfect, thank you. That means the numerator is going to be bigger than the denominator. Makes sense, right? If I have, say, 7.5, that means my numerator is going to be bigger than my denominator. It's going to be 15/2 because I have a whole number, right? As part of the mixed number. So anyways, it's going to be improper. So what I'm going to do is kind of refresh our memory how we got from 7/2 to a mixed number. We set up the division problem. We found the remainder. Then we wrote what's at the top of the bar for the whole number. Then we wrote the remainder in the denominator. Now we're gonna go in the reverse. We're gonna, instead of dividing and subtracting, we're going to multiply and add. Makes sense, right? If you're converting back, you would do the reverse. So instead of dividing and subtracting like we did up here, we're going to multiply and add. And I like to use this little, yes, it's like a little illustration of how this works. So let me highlight this real quick. What you're going to do is you're going to start right here, guys, at the bottom of this fraction, okay? Whenever you convert, start at this number right here. You're going to take this number and you're going to multiply this number, okay? And then you're going to add this number. So what's 2 times 3 plus 1? 7, right? The final step is then just to divide this number. So it's times plus divide. So the answer is 7 divided by 2. But that's it, because all we're doing is we're just converting the mixed number back to a fraction, okay? So it's the same process every time. And if you draw this on your paper, okay, you're going to get it right 99 out of 100 times. Take this number, multiply by this, then add this. Whatever you get, you then divide by the original denominator. Okay, let's try 7 1/3. Okay, so step 1 is to multiply. We're going to do the same thing here. Okay, step 2 is to add. So once we do 3 times 7, we're going to add 1. Okay, and then step 3 is to divide by the original number. So what is 3 times 7 plus 1? 22. Okay, and then all we have to do from that point is just write the original denominator, and we're done. That's why I think that this is actually easier than going from improper fraction to a mixed number. Just multiply, add, and then divide by the original denominator. Okay? And then step 4, of course, is to, once you do all that, go ahead and write your answer down. All right, let's try another one. We're going to do 6 2/3. So we're going to multiply 3 times 6. Then whatever we get there, we're going to add 2. And then finally, we will take that and divide by 3. So what's 3 times 6 plus 2? Yep, 3 times 6 is 18. Add 2 and you get 20. And then you'll divide by what? You divide by that denominator. That's it. So 6 2/3 is the same as 20/3. Just draw those 3 arrows, then mark multiply, add, and divide, and you're good to go. Next, we're going to do 9 2/5. Yes, it really was. Good job. That was really fast. So, that was really good. He did 5 times 9, which is 45. Then he added 2, which is 47. And then he divided by 5. And that's how you got 47/5.
Here, he looked at your note beforehand.
No, I just came up with that.
Paige is a genius.
We will do, let's see, how many more should we do? I mean, we pretty much have them all taken care of. We'll just do one more. Nine and 1 over 100. So as you can imagine, that number is really close to 9, right? Because 1/100th isn't much, right? It's like 9.01. You guys are good. So she did 100 times 9. She added 1. So that's 901. Then she divided by 100.
I was gonna say 10 number like 90. 91.